Okay, so this is the heat exchanger or the transmission.
This is
cooler.
tighty, righty, lefty.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Move it down.
Okay, same guy put that in, so we have to use your little cheater pipe. Okay.
Pull the hose off.
I was going to say, don't pull on that rubber hose.
There.
Okay, there you
Fortunately,
go.
I'm extremely manly to be able to.
That's because of all those power shakes you've been drinking. And then again, we're using that form a funnel, that green piece, to take the water away from falling on top of the starter motor. Now looking at that pipe up above, you can see that you're going to have about 12 to 15 inches of water on top of that. So you're going to have a lot of water come out. If it's too much, stick your finger in the hole and regulate it with your finger. And you can see the water coming down off that former funnel.
And this looks like it's in bad shape.
Yep, so we'll have to clean that up or replace it.